Unit 1. The Ayeyarwady Dolphins. 1A. Reading. Read the passage. The dolphin is a kind of sea animal that looks like a large fish with a long pointed snout. Dolphins are both intelligent and friendly towards humans. There are several types of dolphins. Among them, the Ayeyarwady dolphin is a popular kind in Southeast Asia. Dolphins of this type are usually found in coastal areas in South and Southeast Asia, and in freshwater rivers in Myanmar, Indonesia, and Laos. This species is called the Ayeyarwady dolphin as it was first found in the Ayeyarwady River in Myanmar. Its scientific name is Orcaella brevirostris and is one of the endangered species among the freshwater dolphins in the world. Description. The Ayeyarwady dolphin is quite different from other well-known dolphins. Its colour may be dark blue or dark or pale grey. It has a rounded head and a very bulging forehead. Unlike other dolphins, it has no beak or snout. The dorsal fin is short, blunt, and triangular. The flippers are long and broad. The average length is 2.3 meters, and the weight can range from 90 kilograms to 200 kilograms. Food. They feed on bony fish, fish eggs, and crustaceans, which are crabs, lobsters, and shrimps. They also eat octopuses and squids. They take food into the mouth by suction, that is, by sucking it in. Habitat. Ayeyarwady dolphins like to stay in tropical and subtropical waters and near shallow coastal waters. In other words, they live near coasts and river mouths. They are also found in freshwater rivers. The Ayeyarwady in Myanmar, the Mahakam in Indonesia, and the Mekong in Laos. They are mostly seen about 1.6 kilometers away from the shore, and they do not usually live in deep waters. In Myanmar, they inhabit the Ayeyarwady River between Mandalay and Burma. Characteristics. Ayeyarwady dolphins are slow swimmers, and they are generally found in groups of 3 to 6 members, but sometimes up to 15 dolphins are seen together. They produce sounds such as whistles, clicks, and screeches to communicate with each other. They can be seen jumping, making bubbles, and hitting the water with their flippers and tails. They can squirt streams of water that can reach up to 1.5 meters above the surface of the water. One of the most distinctive characteristics of these dolphins is the mutual relationship they have with the local fishermen. By making a tapping sound against the side of their boats, the local fishermen used to call the dolphins to drive fish into their cast nets. In return, they rewarded the dolphins with a share of the fish that they had caught. The fishermen tried to get the attention of the dolphins in various ways: by striking the sides of their boats with their wooden sticks, by splashing the surface of the water with their oars, and by giving their nets several rapid tugs. Threats and conservation. Ayeyarwady dolphins are now on the verge of extinction. They are listed as a critically endangered species. That is, it may no longer exist in the future, as the dolphin population declines year by year. They often get entangled in the fishing nets, and they also die as a result of electrofishing and the use of gill nets and explosives. Now, in Myanmar, the dolphins are under protection. The region in the Ayeyarwady River between Mingun and Kayak Mayong is officially recognized as the sanctuary to protect the decline of the dolphin population. The Department of Fisheries prohibits the catching or killing of dolphins. The local fishermen are not allowed to use electrofishing, gill nets, and explosives, which leads to a steady decline of the population of Ayeyarwady dolphins.